Hey, good morning. Happy Sunday morning to you. It's raining and storming and lots of lightning and thunder out there right now, so hopefully it's not too awful loud on the video. I'm sitting in my old garage. This garage turned 100 years old this year, and I've been doing a lot of work out here, so it was a good place to get away and throw together this quick video. I just wanted to make an announcement. And some of the people who have been following my channel for quite some time already know this. But this is for the new subscribers and the people who have recently come on board to this channel. I wanted to let you know that I have a second channel. I've had it for a couple of years, and I just haven't done much over there until recently. I've been doing a lot of homestead DIY projects. Matter of fact, that's the name of the channel. DIY homestead projects. I'll put a link to the channel in the description below for those of you who may be interested. But I just wanted to let you know that I've been doing a lot of work around the homestead here. Projects, DIY type things, how to save money, how to fix things. And I've been putting up quite a few new videos, and I intend to continue to do so because I have a lot of upkeep around here that I'm trying to get taken care of. I encourage you to go over there and check out the channel and browse around a little bit, see if there's anything there that interests you. Some of you may find it very interesting. Anyway, at least now you know it exists. The Wannabe Free channel, I've had that channel for, I think it's about 4 years now. And it was kind of my catch-all channel where I would just put whatever video I made, put up there. And I have such a wide variety of projects and interests and things that I do. But what I really want is to have a new subscriber pops onto the channel. I want them to, what they're expecting, that's what I want them to find. So that's why I've come up with the second channel. So let me know what you think. Don't forget to leave a comment. Subscribe if you're interested. That way you'll know when I put up new videos. Especially if you hit the bell, it'll let you know when I posted a new video. And that's where I've been spending quite a bit of my time recently, and I have a lot more projects around the homestead to do, so I should be putting up quite a few more videos, 2 or 3 a week at least, is what I've been doing recently. But I hope you're all doing well out there. I hope you have a great Sunday morning, and we'll see you guys on the next video.